We're going to talk about compression and how to listen to compression. Compression is one of those things that, it takes a while. People think it's really complicated, and it could be if you don't understand what is happening. But I want to show you how I like to listen to compression. So over here we have a loop, and we have the LA76 compressor. It's on bypass. Let's listen to this loop. So the way I have this compressor set, I have it at Blackie. Usually on vocals, I'm going to set it to Bluey. First of all, I want to grab the volume knob on my interface and bring it as low as possible. So I'm going to take the compressor and take it in and out of bypass. And let's see if we can hear a difference. Very subtle. Audio is going through the code. I was going to say through the piece of gear, but this is an emulation, but it's going through its code and it's doing its thing. One thing I notice, I have the 60 hertz on. I don't want that. I want to take that off. Introducing mains noise. I don't need it. For real, I don't. So let's listen to this again without the interference of that. Now we're going to push the plug-in and let's hear what is happening. It would help if I turned the plug-in on. I'm squashing the hell out of it. And I'm pretty sure you can hear that regardless of the levels. But now let's see if we can hear what happens when we adjust the release. Did you notice how it got quieter? It's taken a bit for it to recover, and that's expected. Another thing, you want to hear what's happening right after that snare hit. And also pay attention to that hat. You see how it stands out? So let's go ahead and slow the release down a bit. And let's pay attention to that. Did you notice that? Now it's way back there compared to. Pretty cool. The attack. Let's bring it up to 7. See if that changes anything. So let's back up a bit. I want to make sure in and out of bypass, we have the same levels. We don't want to confuse ourselves. Awesome. So let's go back to a really, really slow release. So one thing that you have to pay attention to, it's what's happening with the attack release. How much compression you got going on. It's going to start jumping around. It's going to start pumping. You have to pay attention to that. You may want that. You may not. So you have to listen. And it's crucial you do it. I would really appreciate it if you subscribe, press the bell for future notifications, and give the video a thumbs up. It'll definitely help.